meatball sandwich. These are the ingredients for meatball: 1 cup of milk, 3 slices of bread, 1 kilo of ground beef, half onion, 1 egg, and 3 cloves of garlic, and spread coriander, and 1 pack of meat seasoning, and we are going to use the pinch of pepper. Now I'm gonna cut the crust of the bread and insert in the milk. Now I'm gonna cut the onion and 3 cloves of the garlic in small pieces. I'm gonna put the beef in the bowl and also garlic and onion. And I don't forget the bread, the coriander. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put in the bowl. Now I'm gonna make bowl with the bread and put it in the bowl and 1 egg and seasoning and fish the pepper and mix it well. So I make a small bowl with a mix. Now I'm gonna make the sauce, and I heat the pan in medium low and put it the oil and the whole onion and 3 cloves of garlic and leave it for 5 minutes. When the onions are golden brown, you can put the big tomato sauce and 1 spoon the Lizano sauce and 1 cup of water and a pinch of pepper and let it reduce for 5 minutes. Now, when you can see the sauce is thick, you can put the meatball and put some sauce on the meatball. It's been 15 minutes. I take a meatball and opening it meatball. If you see meatball are done. Now I'm turn off the stove and put the cream in the meatball, and the meatball are done. And finally, I put the bread and put the meatball with the sauce and put the cheese and ham sandwich.